Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kisi-kisi materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa. Elektrik Teleconference 5 Februari tahun 2033 Masehi. Mission of materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of full time with electric teleconference of month February 5th of year 2033 ANNO DOMINI. Arahan Pendiri dan Ketua Umum Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya, the direction from the founder and the chairman of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, Agussalim St. bin Abdur Rahim, Nasution. Materi-materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa elektronik teleconference di kantor Pusat Global Majelis Pimpinan Pusat Global Yayasan Mandailing Raya. Materials of the public lecture of afternoon Saturday of all time with electric teleconference in the global head office of the Central Global Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. Sabtu 5 Februari tahun 2033, materi kuliah umum e-teleconference, eksistensi koordinator Biro Tanggap Darurat Gempa, Divisi Tanggap Darurat, Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasi taktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal, yang terdapat dalam jurnal bulanan analisis riset mikron gen biologis sepanjang masa. Nomor 277 bulan Januari tahun 2033, Saturday 5th of month February 2033, Public Lecture Material e-Teleconference, Existence of the Coordinator of the Bureau of Emergency Response of Earthquake, the Division of Emergency Response of the Neighborhood Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation. On what wide concern and tactics in Mandailing Natal contained in the Monday Journal of Disease Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time. Number 277 of month January 2033. Koordinator Biro Tanggap Darurat Gempa, Divisi Tanggap Darurat, Majelis Pimpinan Rukun Tetangga Yayasan Mandailing Raya untuk merekomendasikan kepada jurusan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, jurusan Hukum Administrasi Negara, jurusan Hukum Masyarakat dan Pembangunan, jurusan Hukum Bisnis, jurusan Hukum Ekonomi, jurusan Hukum Perdagangan Internasional, dan jurusan Hukum Keuangan Negara, Fakultas Hukum, jurusan Pendidikan Teknik dan Kejuruan, jurusan Pendidikan Ekonomi dan jurusan Pendidikan Teknik Bangunan, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Manajemen dan Kebijakan Publik, Ilmu Administrasi Negara dan Ilmu Administrasi Publik, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial dan Ilmu Politik, Muamalah, Hukum Bisnis Islam, Keuangan Islam dan Hukum Ekonomi Syariah, Fakultas Syariah, jurusan Teknik Sipil dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Teknologi Pertanian, jurusan Ekonomi dan Studi Pembangunan, dan jurusan Ekonomi Sumber Daya dan Lingkungan, Fakultas Ekonomi. dan Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan dan Kebijakan Publik, dan jurusan Bisnis Islam, Fakultas Ekonomi, the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program, Agussalim Manajemen, jurusan Perencanaan Wilayah dan Kota. Sekolah Arsitektur Perencanaan dan Pengembangan Kebijakan dan jurusan Manajemen dan jurusan Kewirausahaan, Sekolah Bisnis dan Manajemen, Universitas Mandailing. Untuk memutakhirkan dengan memahami Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa, konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu lampiran 3 Surat Edaran Menteri Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, yaitu the Coordinator of the Bureau of Emergency Response of it, the Division of Emergency Response of the Neighborhood Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation to recommend to the Department of Civil Engineering, the Faculty of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Department of State Administrative Law, the Department of Law of Public and Development, the Department of Business Law, the Department of Economic Law, the Department of International Law, the Department of State Financial Law, the Faculty of Law, the Department of Engineering and Vocational Education, the Department of Economics Education, in the Department of Building Engineering Education, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Science, Management and Public Policy, State Administration Science, and Public Administration Science, the Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Muamalah, Islamic Business Law, Islamic Finance and Sharia Economic Law, the Faculty of Sharia, the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, the Faculty of Agricultural Technology, the Department of Economics and Development Studies, and the Department of Research and Environmental Economics, the Faculty of Economics and Management, the Department of Planning and Public Policy, and the Department of Islamic Business, the Faculty of Economics, the Department of Urban Studies and Planning, School of Architecture and Planning, Civil and Environmental Engineering, School of Engineering, Business Administration Program, Agussalim Management, the Department of Regional and City Planning, the School of Architecture Planning and Policy Development, and the Department of Management and the Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Business and Management of Mandailing University to update by understanding the circular letter Number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Minister of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely is Annex 3 of the circular letter number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of standard of selection documents for the procurement of construction services in the context of early auction in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019, namely Bab 6. Bentuk dokumen penawaran. Chapter 6. Form of offer documents. Contoh example. Bentuk surat pernyataan kepemilikan sertifikat kompetensi kerja. Form of letter of statement of ownership certificate of work competence. Kop surat badan usaha. The undersigned below blank, name blank, position blank, address blank, number of identity card blank. Dengan ini menyatakan bahwa personel manajerial yang saya usulkan, thus I made this statement with the utmost and full of responsibility. If other data information are different from this statement letter, I will not sue and be willing to be subject. Contoh example, bentuk surat pernyataan kepemilikan sertifikat kompetensi kerja. Form of letter of statement of ownership certificate of work competence. Kop surat badan usaha pernyataan kepemilikan sertifikat kompetensi kerja. Letterhead of business entity, statement of ownership certificate of competence work. Yang bertanda tangan di bawah ini, nama blank, jabatan blank, alamat blank, nomor kartu tanda penduduk blank. The undersigned below blank, name blank, position blank, address blank, number of identity card blank. Dan ini menyatakan bahwa personel manajerial yang saya usulkan dalam dokumen penawaran sudah memiliki sertifikat kompetensi kerja sesuai dengan yang disyaratkan dalam dokumen pemilihan dan ketentuan peraturan perundang-undangan. Hereby declares that the managerial personnel that I have proposed in the bidding document already has our competence certificate in accordance with what is required in the bidding document and the provision of the legislation. Demikian pernyataan ini saya buat dengan sebenar-benarnya dan penuh rasa tanggung jawab. Apabila di kemudian hari temukan data lain keterangan yang berbeda dengan surat pernyataan ini, saya tidak akan menuntut dan bersedia dikenakan sanksi sebagai berikut. Sanksi administratif berupa pembatalan sebagai pemenang dan Sanksi sesuai ketentuan peraturan perundang-undangan. Thus, I made this statement with the utmost and full of responsibility. If other data information are different from the statement letter, I will not sue and be willing to be subject to the following sanctions. Administrative sanction in the form of cancellation as a winner and sanction in accordance with statutory provisions. Blank blank 2000 blank yang membuat pernyataan blank blank 2000 blank we make statement blank nama jelas clear name. Sumber-sumber sources Surat Edaran Nomor 10 SEM 2018 tentang pemberlakuan standar dokumen pemilihan, pengadaan jasa konstruksi dalam rangka lelang dini di Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum dan Perumahan Rakyat untuk tahun anggaran 2019, lampiran 3. Circular Letter Number 10 SEM 2018 concerning enforcement of the selection document standard for procurement of construction services in the context of Yearly action in the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing for budget year 2019 Annex 3 Google Translate. Mandailing Natal, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia, 1 Februari tahun 2033 Masehi. Fest of month February 2023 Anno Domini. Thank you very much.